What can you do with Skool? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Skool has gained quite a reputation for being a unique platform, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into its features and see if it really delivers on what it promises. First, let's talk about communities. Skool offers a simple but effective way to build online communities. Whether you're a course creator, coach, or just looking to gather people around a common interest, Skool lets you organize everything in one place. You can set up discussion boards, post content, and engage directly with members. But here's the catch: while it's super easy to use, it can feel a bit too basic at times. Compared to other platforms like Facebook groups or Circle, it lacks some of the more advanced features. For instance, if you're looking for deep customization or integration with external tools, you might find Skool limiting. Next thing, courses and content. With Skool, you can also create and share courses with your community. It's set up to manage both learning materials and interaction. However, Skool is a bit behind the curve here, especially when compared to dedicated course platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. While you can upload lessons, quizzes, and other learning tools, it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility in course design. If you're looking for detailed reporting, gamification, or complex course structures, Skool won't be your first choice. The third thing to mention is Skool's gamification features. You can earn points and badges for engaging with content or completing certain actions within the platform. It's a fun way to keep members motivated, but again, it's a bit basic. Platforms like Kajabi have much more robust gamification tools, and if you're someone who values this feature highly, Skool might leave you wanting more. Now, let's talk about pricing. Skool has an attractive pricing model, especially compared to platforms like Kajabi or Podia, which can get quite expensive. Skool offers a straightforward plan with access to all features, but the simplicity of the pricing model might not be for everyone. If you need more advanced features, you'll still be stuck with the same plan, while competitors might offer tiered options that allow you to scale as you grow. Fourth thing to note, Skool's focus on a streamlined user experience. It's simple, and for some, that's a huge plus. The design is intuitive, the onboarding is easy, and you don't have to deal with a learning curve. But on the flip side, its simplicity could be a deal breaker for those who want more control and customization over the look and feel of their platform. So, while it may be perfect for those just starting, more advanced users might get frustrated by the limitations. Fifth, community interaction and moderation. Skool allows you to engage with your community, but it's not quite as sophisticated as other platforms. Tools like Circle have much stronger moderation features, allowing for more granular control over who can post, what content gets highlighted, and how discussions are managed. With Skool, it's more basic and may not be suitable for larger communities where tighter control is needed. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool offers some great features, it's not the end-all be-all. Depending on your goals, there might be better options out there. Platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks offer much more in-depth community building tools, greater customization, and better integration with other tools you're already using. For course creators, Teachable or Thinkific provide more robust features with far more flexibility in course creation. Now, before you go, let me mention something really exciting. If you're thinking about trying Skool, I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial to Skool, plus a few exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. But I also want to give you some amazing alternatives that may better suit your goals, and guess what? They all come with a free trial too. Click the link to grab the best trial and discover a platform that may work better for what you need.